Komatsu D31S here. It's a track loader, and it's been sitting for, the owner says 5 years, but most likely longer than that. So the story with this is someone came about a year ago to try and get it running, but they took stuff apart and didn't put it back together and left. It's a Cummins 4D105-3, and you can see it's a Komatsu D31S. But the really nice thing on this machine is the undercarriage. So you can see those sprockets are in pretty good shape. Track chains have very little wear on them, and the idler here, he had welded on it, so it is in good shape too. As you can see, they took out the injectors, but luckily the injector ports are pointing down, so hopefully didn't get too much water in there. In the driver's seat, got 2100 hours, key is still in it. Pretty basic setup. It's a hydrostatic machine. Oh, it does go into gear. This is pretty tight. It's gonna need some WD-40 or PP blaster. The fuel moves. That brake is seized. We got bucket controls here. Safety lever. Got some PB blaster in all the cylinders. Just hose everything down. Alright, it's a 22 millimeter. Uh-oh. Not moving. Looks like it's locked up pretty solid. So it looks like the exhaust is open, and that's part of the intake. The intake is open. Well, the inside of the engine looks really good.